Hello, and thank you for visiting our travel page for the stunning island of Saint Lucia. This tropical paradise, which can be found in the eastern Caribbean, is renowned for its breathtaking scenery, immaculate waters, and friendly people. Be sure to stop and admire the Pitons, two recognizable peaks that rise spectacularly from the coast, as you travel to Saint Lucia. With hiking, climbing, bird watching, and snorkeling among its many outdoor activities, these towering mountains are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Petit Piton is a more difficult ascent, while the Gros Piton can be ascended with a guide. The views of the island and the surrounding waters are stunning from both peaks. Speaking of coastlines, Saint Lucia is home to some of the region's top beaches. If you're seeking a more relaxed pastime, they are the ideal location to unwind and enjoy the sun. The northwest coast's Redoude Beach is a well-liked location for swimming and tanning, while Anse Chastanet Beach provides more hidden coves and fantastic snorkeling. However, Saint Lucia is more than just a stunningly beautiful island. The island also has a thriving culture that combines elements from Britain, France, and Africa. The Saint Lucia Folk Research Center, which highlights the island's African, French, and British influences through art, dance, and music, is another place where you can learn more about the island's rich cultural legacy. The capital city of Castries in Saint Lucia is another must-visit location. Castries, an active market town on the island's western coast, is where you can sample regional cuisine and buy trinkets. As well as the well-known meal of green figs and saltfish, make sure to sample some of the island's delectable tropical fruits, like mangoes and papayas. Saint Lucia offers a lot of adventure if that's what you're after. Take a boat tour to observe the island's dolphins and whales, go ziplining through the rainforest, or visit the Soufriere Sulphur Springs for a bath in the healing hot springs. Thank you for watching.